What's poppin', precious people? How y'all doing? It's a new week, a new video. Y'all already know what it is, your boy. And if you haven't been to the channel, get with the movement. Y'all need to do it. It's Mari's World. Click that subscribe button, like those videos, and enjoy. We here. Yeah, I'm talking too much because I'm excited. I did not get to film this, but it was like a short notice. My boy just came through and said, yo, let's knock this out real quick. The transmission is in the car. Yeah. So transmission, I still got some button ups to do. I gotta get a washer for this. And one of the mounts, rear mounts under the car is also missing a washer. I don't want to put it on without a washer. So I gotta get a washer for this. Gotta clean those up. What I was actually doing after I got the transmission in, I started clocking the turbo to the right angle because I noticed that the feed was where the return should be and the return was where the feed should be. So I did that, turned it around, and got the feed on there. Didn't put the return on because I guess the gasket broke. I gotta get a gasket. That's my luck. So I actually went ahead yesterday after we got the transmission in, mock up the turbo and all of that, the downpipe and all of that, and figure out where I was gonna put the return. I kinda know where I'm gonna put it. I was watching a few videos and it looks like here will be a good spot. Somewhere here will be a good spot, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get that done today. Take the oil pan off, clean it, and take it to a shop to get it welded because I can't weld for nothing. I'm learning, but it's gonna take some time, so I'm gonna take it to go get it done. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Bore the oil pan. I can't really do much because I still need some parts. Let me show y'all what I got. Gauges. Well, this is the oil pressure. I didn't go too crazy on it. I got my fuel pump in, and I am gonna run the Chemso because I heard it was good. See a couple people using it. They recommend it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. There you go. Got me my boost gauge. I think I showed this before, which is glow shift boost gauge, and my baby, the white band. AEM, boys. AEM, boy. Yeah, man. You know it thing go AEM. You already know what it is. Yeah, so I'm gonna just jump on that oil pan now. So I don't have a dot punch, which I should invest in, but I'm gonna just try to use this drill to the best of my ability, and I'm gonna just pick a spot. Like, I did a small mock-up already, so I'm gonna just find a spot, and the hose is long enough so I can basically put it anywhere and not get caught. And if it's in a wrong position, I will just get a piece of metal piping or whatever and draw it out a little bit, or use a tap and die method. I'm not sure which method I'm gonna use yet. I'm gonna just go ahead and bore the pan, and then I'll just figure it out. The thing with Hondas is you can easily take the pan off and clean it out or do whatever. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Got a small, you wanna start off small too. So got a small hole right there. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and take the pan off and do some measurements and see if I'm gonna use the tap and die method, or I'm gonna just go ahead and use what came in the kit. Got the oil pan off. Had to fry it out. Wow, this is clean. Whoo! This is clean. Oh my gosh. This is clean. This is clean. Sheesh. I was not expecting that. My car running good, boy. Under the engine right here in the block. Looks good to me. Clean. This engine is clean, boy. We gonna make some boosts in this thing now. Yeah. Oh man, I'm so old. Ugh. This is so clean. I am so surprised how clean this thing is. So there's a little bit of metal shavings that got into it because I didn't put any grease because I plan to clean this out anyway. But it is clean. But I'm gonna still go ahead and clean it up some more and get this thing taken care of. You know what I mean? Boy. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe how clean this thing is. But I'm gonna go ahead, clean it up, and I don't know what method I'm gonna use yet. If I'm gonna use the tap and dye method, or I'm gonna go ahead and use what they gave me, which is this little bung here. Not sure if this would be really efficient. You see, well, I'm gonna figure it out. But you guys will know what I'm gonna be doing. So, end of the video again. No short. No, I didn't do much, but that's what I'm doing. We making progress, and as soon as I get, because I got some more parts I need to get. Well, I need to get this thing welded. As soon as this oil pan is taken care of, then it's boom from there. It's all, I'm gonna just start plugging stuff up, marking up intercooler and all of that. And then we'll be on our way. I'm trying to do at least 10 episodes. By the 10th episode, I should be starting driving. And probably not do a pull because I need to get it tuned. And I'm gonna be doing something by that 10th episode, man, and that will be it. After that, it's supposed to be track days, car meets, all of that stuff. Good stuff coming. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. I'm getting there, taking my time. It's just me. I got a few help here and there, but I'm trying. First time doing this, first time boosting a car. It's my very first time going so deep into a car, even though I've been around cars, but I never really got a chance to. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy. We out.